First, we'll talk about the name of a property. Every property has a name that uniquely identifies it. This name should be descriptive and informative. Although two people can have the same name, two different properties should never have the same name, or Python will think you're trying to change the value of that property. In the code shown here, the top three properties are very clear and descriptive: temperature, description, wind_speed. In the bottom code, two of the properties have the same name, weather and weather, and one of the properties is totally vague, something. Making a good property name is an art, and it is only with practice and feedback over time that you really get good at naming properties. In fact, two skilled programmers may think of very different names for the same property. However, there are some rules. Names are a combination of numbers, letters, and underscores, but they cannot start with numbers. Properties can never have spaces or dashes. Instead, underscores are used to break up words. One of the biggest mistakes that beginners make is to confuse properties for string values with single or double quotes. Do not confuse a string value for a property. There are also some words that you can't use because Python uses them for other things. These words are reserved. These words will show up in a different color if you try to use them. Knowing how properties are named are the first step in identifying all the properties in a block of code. There can be a lot of properties. It is crucial to ignore string values and reserved words as you start trying to identify properties.